Have you ever heard of Momo? It's a type of dumpling that's incredibly popular in Nepal and across the Himalayan regions, including Tibet, Bhutan, and parts of India. Momo might remind you of other Asian dumplings, like Chinese baozi or Japanese gyoza, but it has its own unique twist and flavors. To support our channel and stay updated with all our latest content, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. So, what makes a Momo special? Let's break it down. The outer layer is made from a simple dough, just white flour and water. This dough is rolled out into small, thin circles, ready to be filled with delicious ingredients. Speaking of filling, there are so many options. For meat lovers, popular choices include chicken, buffalo, pork, goat, or lamb. If you prefer vegetarian options, momos can be stuffed with a mix of vegetables like cabbage, carrots, onions, and spinach. Some vegetarian versions even use tofu or paneer, which is a type of Indian cottage cheese. The filling is usually seasoned with a flavorful blend of spices and herbs, such as garlic, ginger, cumin, coriander, and sometimes a splash of soy sauce. Now, let's talk about how momos are cooked. The traditional method is steaming, which keeps them healthy and light. These are typically made in a special steamer called a Momo pot. However, if you're in the mood for something a bit more indulgent, there's a fried version where the momos are crisped up after being steamed, known as kathi in some areas. And for those who enjoy a bit of comfort food, there's also Joel Momo, where the dumplings are served in a spice broth or soup. When it comes to serving, momos are usually paired with a dipping sauce, typically a spicy tomato-based one called achar in Nepal. This sauce can range from mildly tangy to fiery hot, depending on how it's prepared. Momo isn't just a snack, it's a beloved dish in Nepal, deeply rooted in the country's food culture. You'll find it everywhere, from street food stalls to restaurants, and it's a favorite at gatherings and celebrations. The beauty of Momo lies in its versatility, whether you prefer them steamed, fried, or served in soup. There's a version of Momo for everyone to enjoy. Be sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons to support our channel and keep up with all our latest content. Whether you're a longtime fan of Nepali momos or just hearing about them for the first time, you'll be pleased to know that these delicious dumplings can actually be a healthy option, depending on how they're made and what goes inside. Let's explore why momos can be a nutritious addition to anyone's diet, whether you're already familiar with them or just getting introduced to this tasty dish. First off, the way momos are cooked can make a big difference. Most momos are steamed rather than fried, which means they're lower in oil and fat content, making them a lighter, lower-calorie option compared to other fried snacks or dumplings. Now, let's talk about the filling. Many momos are packed with lean protein. Think chicken, or even plant-based options like tofu. These fillings provide a good dose of protein while keeping saturated fat to a minimum. And if you're a veggie lover, you're in luck. Vegetarian momos are often stuffed with a mix of vegetables like cabbage, carrots, and onions. These veggies are rich in vitamins, minerals, and fiber, making your meal nutrient-dense and satisfying. And here's another plus. Some momos are made with whole wheat flour instead of refined flour. This simple swap adds more fiber and nutrients to your meal, keeping you fuller for longer. Let's not forget about the spices and herbs that make momos so flavorful. Ingredients like ginger, garlic, and turmeric aren't just there for taste. They also have anti-inflammatory properties and can contribute to your overall health. Of course, like anything, it's all about balance. The healthiness of momos can vary depending on a few factors. Portion size matters. If you eat too many, the calories can add up quickly. And while dipping sauces are delicious, they can be high in sodium or sugar, so it's something to keep an eye on. And if you opt for fried momos instead of steamed, you'll be adding extra calories and fat to the dish. So, the takeaway? When momos are made with nutritious ingredients and prepared in a healthy way, they can be a tasty and balanced part of your diet. Enjoy your momos mindfully, and they can be both delicious and good for you. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated with all our latest content, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. Your support means a lot to us,